Picture the crack of the bat, the roar of the crowd, the thrill of victory. Now, imagine that energy bottled into words. That's the power of an inspirational quote. From the world of sports and beyond, we're bringing you a rapid-fire collection of motivational wisdom. First up, the harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. Les Brown. A reminder that the struggle is part of the reward. Next, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. A call to action, urging us to seize every opportunity. Finally, it's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. Vince Lombardi. A testament to the power of resilience. Remember, champions are champions because they never gave up. Until next time, keep swinging for the fences.